Stricter norms, rising costs. Can industries cut emissions and stay efficient with biomass fuels? Let's find out. At Steamax, we provide the answer. The Steamax Bag Filter is engineered for biomass boilers, lowering emissions and ensuring seamless compliance. PTFE-coated filter bags capture 99.9% of fine particulates, reducing emissions below 50 milligrams per normal cubic meter, meeting the most demanding CPCB standards. Our pulse jet cleaning system ensures continuous operation with minimal downtime. It is designed for thermal stability up to 270 degrees Celsius, ensuring long-term reliability. A low-pressure drop of 80 to 100 millimeters water column reduces energy costs, while the automated dust disposal system saves time and labor. Leading industries trust Steamax for proven performance and assured compliance. Take control of your emissions today. Contact us now